are you doing?
Yeah, I'm learning the technical flow of maize milling machine today. There are really some questions confuse me. Can you help me handle them?
Okay, no problem.
2-hour maize milling machine. If it's a complete production line,
Yeah, for the maize milling machine, we supplied all the complete line from the cleaning, conditioning, degerminating, milling, sifting, packing, and controlling system.
I see. So what's the function of cleaning system? How is it work?
This is the cleaning section. We use the maize cleaner, destoner to remove the impurity like the stone, corn, and other impurities, then to get the pure raw material maize.
I got. So how about the conditioning?
Conditioning system, we use the 2 layers stainless steel moisture damper. The water spring onto the maize surface. The maize germ and the maize husk will absorb the water. Germ and husk will become from the hard to the soft. Will be very easily for the maize degerminator to remove the maize germ.
Yeah, smart machine. Like this will save lots of flowing machines, like the degerminator and the roller mills.
Yes, and also you know that this machine is the only part connected with water. Stainless steel material will make the machine much longer lifetimes. It's almost 3 times than the galvanized one or ever one.
It's a really smart machine. So how about the degerminating system?
You see, for the maize degerminating, we use the Japan technique. The maize degerminating can remove the maize germ and the maize husk to make sure our machine can produce the super white maize flour.
Well, the degerminator also very important machine in the maize processing.
Yeah, we have been in African market more than 30 years. And in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Malawi, South Africa, Angola, Nigeria, even every African country, they need the final flour super white and fine. Yeah.
We are really professional in African market.
Yeah.
That's why we have the branch office in Lusaka, Zambia, Kampala, Uganda, and Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Really good job.
Yes, here is after the degerminating, the maize germ and the maize husk used for the animal feed, and the big size maize grapes go to the automatic roller mills to milling the maize flour. Here is the plant sifter. The sifter has the different layers. Each layer has the screen. The screen can adjust according to the client need to produce the very suitable the final product for the client market.
Yeah, and this is decide our machine can produce the maize flour, maize meal, maize grease, different final products in same time. And the maize flour and maize meal mainly used for the local food like ugali, fufu, sima, and so on. And for the grease, normally used for snack food or to be the material of beers.
Our machines are really very, very good for client.
Yeah, you see, here is the machines we have installed in Nairobi, Kenya. It's 150 tons. It's a very beautiful machine. You can see it.
Yeah, so nice. The material of piece of stainless steel.
Yes, the pipes in the milling section connected with the material. We adopt the stainless steel pipes. It's the 5 to 10 years longer lifetime than the galvanized steel sheet pipes.
Oh, thank you very much, Lila and Penny.
You're welcome.
Yeah, welcome.